to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock...
I came to another apartment in Gdynia and oh my god, it is so beautiful. Tomorrow I'll show you everything. Look at this. Oh my god, I love the ceiling. Oh my god, so good. So yeah, I came to Gdynia to another apartment and I am really close to port, and I have to say that it is very small, but I like it. For just one weekend it is really great. So there is a nice bike on and I've got a Christmas tree. Oh, I just love this view. And I've got something there that I will show you tomorrow. And tomorrow also I would like to show you new boots that I bought. This is what I would like to make in the past in my apartment, in my flat, not apartment. But my dad say, no, let's finish it a different way. But I love this texture. With the all lights and the furniture and the plants, it is so beautiful. This is kind of the TV, as you can see. So how to make it? I think this way. Yeah, it is hard to show you, but yeah, it is as you can see. This is I will try later. For now I don't have time, I have to just take my car. But yeah, let me know what do you think about such small apartments. They are definitely not good for living, but for just one weekend or just a few days in Gdynia or wherever you go, I think it is a great thing. But the Christmas tree, I have to put the lights on. I don't know where. Okay, I think there. Where is the contact? Over there. It's okay, so we have to try. This idea of the Christmas tree. I thought about this, that if I will go somewhere, I would like to have a Christmas tree, and this is what I got. So I just I don't like these curtains, that they are very thin and see-through, and there are people that they are working in the bank in the front of me. It is like 5 p.m. and yeah, people still working there. So we can check what they are doing. And I think I haven't told you about the outfit of today. So today I've got a jeans, a scarf that keep me warm, and I've got my boots from Kazar. They are real suede boots and they are okay, but I feel that they are very high, and after a few kilometers I feel them. And my white hat and my real leather winter jacket. This jacket, it is made from very thick leather, so really warm, and I feel really hot right now. So yeah, just a white roll neck, gloves with the more fur that matching my fur on the around the neck. I have to say that fur around your neck just keep you warm too. Just without this, it is much colder. So that's a really nice, I think, winter outfit. And I have so far really many shops with the boots. So I think tomorrow I will go for shopping again, because today I bought something, and like I said, I will show you tomorrow. But anyway, I think that outfit is okay. Just the jeans, white top, boots, and the leather jacket over. Can be the smooth leather boots, can be also good. But I would like to wear these boots because I think that I haven't worn them for a while. I'm not sure if they're okay with the jeans, but you know, I would like to wear something different. That's a bathroom, very beautiful one. With the green wall, everything white. I think really big, like for the small apartment, and the size of everything here. I think that bathroom is really large, and we have like very nice, you know, the washing machine and probably a dryer. Is it a dryer? Yeah. Yeah, because we have the everything I remember from the. It is a typical tumble dryer. Oh my god, hard to open it. Okay, this a filter. Oh, nobody clean it, but such a good thing, but not for everything, because you can take your trousers or jumpers like a few sizes down. So good for the towels and everything else, but not really for your clothes.